everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Insert your hook into belt buckle, pull up yarn over, make one chain. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Pull up yarn over, make a loop. Insert your hook into buckle, pull up yarn, make one loop. And repeat this, make one loop, make one loop. We have 5 loop in this side. Insert your hook into buckle, pull up yarn, make a loop, 1, 2 loop, 3 loop, 4, 5. We have 10 loop in total, 5 in this side and 5 this the other side. 1 2 3 4 5. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, 2 last yarn, 1 2, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, and continue like this. Pull through, pull through, pull through, like this. Insert your hook between 2 stitches. I show like this. Between these first and second stitches in here. Insert your hook and pull up yarn. Hold yarns on your hook, 1 2, like this, 3, pull up yarn and hold on hook, and continue for all stitches. Pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and continue. Pull through like this. In last row, decrease a stitch, skip one stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, skip one stitch, go to next stitch, skip one stitch, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, and pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and fixed yarn.